In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play the new Monster Hunter Stories 3 completely for free. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have Steam. If you don't have it yet, just download it and create your account. It only takes a few minutes. And then search for Monster Hunter right here. So this is the new one, and if you scroll down, you will find different options. So if you want to play the game for free and try it without paying, you can download the trial version right here. This is free and you can start playing the game and try it. If you want to get the full version, you just need to add it to your cart and complete the payment using your Steam wallet balance or any other payment method like PayPal, your credit card, and more. But if you just want the trial version, click download, then select your drive and click install. Then the download should begin, and if you click the progress bar at the bottom, you can see how the download is going. So that's it. That's how you can try the new Monster Hunter Stories 3 for free. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.